look, this is question 8 on your mixed exercise 1 from year 13. You have this algebraic fraction here, and you have to show that can be written in this form. So we are splitting this in partial fractions. Remember, to do that, we have different methods. I'm going to use substitution because I think it's faster for this particular question. So we have this expression here must be written as a divided by one of the factors in the denominator plus b divided by the other factor. What I'm going to do is to add these fractions. So the common denominator is this one. So when I divide the common denominator by x, I get the x minus 1, and I multiply, and then the x multiply the other one. So x minus 1 multiplies the a, and x goes multiplied by b. And I have x minus 1. So as the denominator are equal to each other, numerators must be equal to each other. And that's what we are going to do. X minus 3 must be equal to a x minus 1 plus bx. You can multiply and equate coefficients, but I'm going to use substitution. So I'm going to make the first bracket equal to 0. And for that, x is going to be 1. When x is 1, this side is going to be 1 minus 3 minus 2. On the left, here this bracket is 0, and then I have 1 times b. So I found that b is minus 2. And when I substitute the x by 0 to make this term 0, the left side is 0 minus 3 minus 3. Is going to be, when x is 0 here, 0 minus 1 times a minus a. So that means that a is positive 3. Yeah, and we found both of them. So now we can write fx as a, that is 3, and I would write the expression because that's what they asking you in the question. And then b is minus 2, so I'm going to write minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Yeah, you could write here plus, and then instead of b minus 2, but I think it looks better if you write just one sign. Yeah, and that's it. So please try to not just find the constant, do wherever they ask you, so that can be written this way. If you have to write this way, I would write this way, just in case. Yeah? That's all with this question.